don't need to do that. I don't step that low. We friends, we good.
Yeah, I know you never. Even me, I'm free to give you.
Exactly, Tommy. Yesterday I had your phone when I was on the live. I didn't do no funky shit. I said I'm going on the live.
Yeah, but me, anyway, WhatsApp is very strict. I've got a code
I don't know
to
that.
WhatsApp, so I know nothing.
I don't even need to know that because I was doing what I said I'm gonna do. Like the same as if you have my phone, you're gonna do what you do. We're friends. We're good. You know. So it was the same thing. So now there's a whole thing that I went and stole that bitch phone, that Maweni phone. I'm like, I don't need to do that. The one thing is I've been sitting on that story for like over a week, and I'm like, this is so big. I also realize how sensitive it is, but I also have all the right information. And I'm like, I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to dare a nigger to come and try me and tell me that I am lying because I have the whole doctor file, and I need somebody else to say, Musa, you're lying. Then I'm going to put all of that file online, bitch. Then Zuzo Kalage. Because I'm not going to be stupid and go talk about something that is so sensitive when I don't know what I'm talking about. Do you understand that part? So I'm like, I'm waiting. I was waiting for one of them SK or one of them brothers to come and be like, oh, bitch, you lie. Then this is your Kalage. Because I have files for days on this matter. And I'm just wanting them to say, Musa, you lying. And then Zuzo Kala, because there's a bitch, you know, that bitch that she's engaged, that SK is engaged to, that is in the England or whatever, wherever the fuck, that bitch working. That bitch literally dodged a bullet because when SK finds out that he's HIV positive, it was literally in January of this year, and this bitch was already in the England, right? So she mad that she gone and this SK is going around fucking everybody, and now SK don't want to take his medication because he's getting his medication at the back door because he doesn't want nobody to know. And then that bitch worried that, oh, bitch, why don't you want to take your medication? Because I suppose there is levels that some state or whatever, you need to be placed on the right medication, right? And then SK is not even taking that medication, but he's going to them Durban. That screenshot that everybody saw is a conversation between friends that are in Durban. It has nothing to do with that Maweni. It has nothing to do with a bitch from the England. Even with SK, those were friends that were talking because SK is at home now, because now he can't book a damn job, right? So he's at home back in KZN, and then his friend went and hooked him up with this other bitch in the Durban or wherever the fuck they at. So this bitch went and found out that this nigga man, he's sick and all of that. Then there's a conversation between those two friends that they talking about, this SK and them HIV, and then this bitch, I suppose she got it now. Then they were talking because now this bitch shocked that, oh damn, how dare this SK don't tell me that he already dying. And then they went on and had them fucking sex without a condom. Do you get what I'm saying? And that's where this conversation is coming from. It has nothing to do with that bitch of mine that's busy targeting everyone and doing all of them stuff. That's got nothing to do with shit. And I said on that story for a whole week and a half. And I'm like, I don't know what to do with this information. But the one person that I feel like I'm like, I want to talk to she, but also it's also not a telephonic conversation. If I talk to her on the phone, she won't understand. It's a lot going on. And I was like, you know what? At the end of the day, this is what I do. She respects what I do. I respect what she does. And I'm going to go on and talk about what I want to talk about. The only people I need to protect is the people that brought this information to me. That's the only people I have a responsibility to. Everyone else, it's like I don't owe anyone. The only people I'm going to protect till the very end is the people that brought the whole file, the whole screenshots, and the whole everything that happened in between, and the conversations that are in between, that SK would know that at this point that I have. Hence, he should leave me alone. Because, oh, bitch, if you tries me, it is going to go down, and I won't be sorry because I am not. I am just going to talk because, bitch, let me use your platform for a hot second. Let me just say what I need to say with this whole thing. Because
hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lolo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. You guys, Musa Khawula went on to an Insta Live to rant to Inomorolong about SK Khoza having HIV after his new best friend Maweni, who is SK Khoza's baby mama, reprimanded him, Musa Khawula, for leaking a private conversation between her and Musa talking about SK being HIV. You guys, Musa told Inomorolong that he did not learn about SK Khoza's HIV status from Maweni, and that he actually has a file from a doctor proving that SK does has HIV. You guys, he got that file also from someone who's very close to SK Khoza. Also, the way Musa talks when she is referring to Maweni, you can tell that there is a trouble in paradise between their fake friendship, you guys, already. Mr. told Inomorolong this. He said that SK Khoza is ashamed of taking his ARVs and he has now defaulted on his medication, and he used to take medication which he bought through back doors, you guys, and I'm thinking that maybe illegally because he didn't want to be seen. SK Khoza is now unemployed and is back in KZN, his home province. All this information is provided by Musa Khawula. You guys, Musa Khawula has also threatened to leak SK Khoza's medical records, disclosing his HIV status if he dares decide to come for him. This is what he said. Now, please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you in the next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.